Welcome to Global Industrie, the place where all the innovation and all the future of the industry is present here. We show you the future of the technology and the future of the factory. I'm Rafael, I'm a pilot innovation and I do research on agentic maintenance, on AI and robotics in Toulouse. We are here to explain and to show what is the industry of tomorrow. Everyone talks about industry 4.0 and 5.0, but we don't want to only talk, we want to show you. We are here with the mini plants and all demonstrators to explain and accompany all our clients to the future together. Nowadays we have a lot of discussions with AI, with LLM. So for me it's very important to be on this subject. It's not only a point of doing LLM in industry, but how we do it, how to be robust and in the point of view of security and efficiency.